Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Dom, back with another Forex fundamental and technical analysis for this week. First things first, my bad, I missed last Sunday. I wasn't feeling very well. But heads up, next Sunday I also won't be posting a Forex video. I'll be on vacation, so expect to see me the week after that, which is I think the 28th or 27th, one of those weeks. Anyway, 2 Sundays from now. Just to get us started, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the news, see what type of things we can expect to affect the market this week. We're also going to review the last trading pair I did, which was the dollar Swiss, and then we're going to look to see what 2 pairs we could take advantage of this week. So let's go ahead and jump into this news. Again, I use Smart Trader when I'm marking up my charts, and for anything like news related for the market, I use the Forex Factory. So that is where we're gonna go. Cool, so the Forex Factory, let's look at what's going on today. Today is Sunday the 14th. We got nothing. All right, let's see. Monday, 6:30, we have the Australian dollar. They're coming out with their monetary policies. That's going to be a big move. Tuesday for Canada, we have the CPI. Those are some data points to judge the strength of the economy. 6:30, we have for Australian dollar the wage price index. And then 30 minutes later, we have the New Zealand dollar. They're going to come out with their cash rate and their monetary policies. That's going to be pretty big. Wednesday, let's see, at 5:30, we got the core retail sales, more data points on how inflation is going for the US. At 11, we have the FOMC meetings. 6:30 for Australian dollar, we have their employment change and their unemployment rates. So we can expect price to, have some reactions there. Thursday, not too much going on. Same thing for Friday, but I did want to mention, I kind of skipped over this, but for Monday the 15th, we do have a French bank holiday and also an Italian bank holiday, so keep in mind of that. So next things next, we're gonna go over to Smart Trader. We're gonna look at our charts, and we're gonna go over the last pair I did, which was the dollar Swiss. And remember in my last video, I talked about how we had 2 potential plays here. So you know what, let me go ahead and make a line really quick because I wanna mark what week was for what. So Sunday, I would have posted another video here. So let's just take a look at what actually happened. So like I said, we had 2 potential moves that can happen. This orange play, because we had a potential double bottom here, and we said if price does not hold, price would fall. It would trace back, retest this line here, support line, and it would fall. Or we would have this green play, which is price respected that double bottom, that 94958 price, bounce up, retrace, and then keep going. That's exactly what happened here. So we have price push back up, meet this 4-hour resistance line. Actually, it might help if I move over a little bit. All right, boom. Move this over like that. So this was what price actually did. Respected this 4-hour, I'm sorry, this was a, what was this anyway? This was a weekly support zone. Price respected that, bounced off, retested this 4-hour resistance zone, fell, came back up to retest it. So price obviously went for the green play. Now, had I reviewed this last Sunday, we could have saw what we could have expected price to move forward for the week based on fundamentally what was going on in the world from the Forex factory. And then as you guys can see here, we had a double top. So we might have been able to see that had I done another video this past Sunday, we could have saw this double top here, and then we could have anticipated this fall right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this because price did not go this way. So yeah, so that's how this price moved. Now we are going to go ahead and take a look at what other pairs we can take advantage of this week. Another one that I want to take a look at is the CAD yen, because let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and mark this one up before we look into if we can take advantage of this pair or not. So on my monthly time frame, I'm going to go ahead and mark up all of my support and resistance zones. Same thing, moving down to the 4-hour time frame, and then we're going to place our trend line and then see where we are in the fib sequence. All right, so now we have our overall direction of our last trend. So just a little bit. I mean, I gotta move this one over just a little bit. Perfect. So off the last low, we see what our direction is. We're going up. So what I would do, since we're already on the daily time frame, I'm gonna go ahead and drop my smart fib here. All right, on an A to B move, we did get a shallow retracement because it's below the 236 level. It passed through the 118. It's resonating here in the 127 zone right here. It did try to push down. It touched that trend line and then bounced off. So right now, we see that on a daily time frame, price is still moving up. But let's take a look at what's going on the 4-hour to see how we could take advantage of this. So you got all these extra fibs in here as well. On the 4-hour, an A to B move, price retraced down to the 50% level here. Actually came back and retested that level again, touched that trend line, respected the trend line, and bounced back up. So right now that the market's open, we see that we're getting some price sideways movement here between the two 4-hour resistance and support levels. I'm actually already in this trade, but I wanted to see, I might be able to pop back in and add to my position. So what I'm waiting to see is price going to continue up, or is it going to fall down? So I'm going to head and hit a trend line here. Keep going until I get that touch. Boom. So this is the original trend. This is the sub trend. So if price continues along with this trend line, I know at some point it's gonna test this daily support, and if I get a trend line break, then that means it's going down. But if it respects that trend line and keeps up, I can expect price to keep continuing to the 1618 level here, and that is 900 pip move. So we see that on an A to B move, we have our C, which is down here. It retraced to the 50% level, touched the trend line, respected the trend line, and now it's moving back up. So if everything continues the way it is, we can expect price to hit this D extension of 1618 level. But of course, we have a bunch of resistance zones that we need to break in the meantime. But again, price moves in waves, not in an up and down straight line. So that has been my CAD yen pair. Hopefully we get some price movement that keeps the current trend going upwards. Overall, I am bullish on the CAD yen. Please remember, next week I will not be posting a video. I will be on vacation, but look forward to seeing me after that. If you guys felt like this video was helpful at all, if you had any questions, if you had any pairs that you guys wanted me to take a look at, please go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Once again, this has been your girl Dom, and I will see you guys in the next video.